I welcome you to the first lecture. And sorry, I didn't write subject. What is subject code, by the way? ELT subject code, English language teaching. English language teaching. You look at testing. So you said, somebody said, I think, yeah. Testing means to examine. Am I right? Damayanti said that. Okay? To examine. To examine. Anybody else? Testing means to examine. Yeah, anybody else? You can add your you can always yeah. What do you understand, or give me a synonym for testing to examine? What else? Huh? I don't get it. Linguistic examine. Ah, to investigate. Okay. Wow. Very so when I say testing, she's associating with investigation. Good. Nothing wrong. I'll tell you what is closest to it. Okay. So anyone else? There is a word which starts with E. You remember that? I just give you that. Huh? Wonderful. Evaluation. Okay. And then one more, and then we will proceed further. Can you give me one? Examine, investigation, to examine, evaluation. Wherever. Carry on. Don't be disturbed. Anyone wants a break? Just tell me. You can take a break. That's what you need. Okay. One more. I just need one more, and then we'll start. We'll start with something. Anybody? Huh? Anybody? Boys, girls, யார் வேணா சொல்லுங்கப்பா. அடுத்தது. Okay. Yeah, anyone else? Anyone can to examine, investigate, test, verify. Very good. Whatever you use has got a strong connection with testing. They are related to testing, no doubt. When you test, you verify. When you test, you examine. There is a bit of investigation to investigate something you need to test. Okay, all that is fine. But today we are going to look at evaluation. Okay, we're going to start with evaluation. What do you have before we start looking at evaluation and testing? There is one more word which I want, and I'll give you a small assignment type thing. It starts with A. Which starts with A. Analyze, good. You can analyze the test. You can analyze. Okay. What else? Huh? I want you to give me a word. Wonderful. Very good. So, may I say something? You note it down, and let us see who gets the best answer at the end of by March, I would say. I want you to tell me, assessment, evaluation, and testing are considered synonymous. We treat them synonymously. Assessment, evaluation, and testing, but they are not the same. I want you to come out with definition or your definition or just one paragraph. If you can write 1 or 2 paragraphs comparing assessment, evaluation, and testing, and submit it, I'll be very happy. Okay, I'm making it voluntary. Ellarum submit panna solla. Number lecture paaka. Tell me what the difference between assessment, evaluation, and testing is. Okay, done. Okay, so let me just rub this a bit, and we are going to look at. First, we look at evaluation. Okay, we are going to look at evaluation, and okay, and what is evaluation? We are going to start with the basic question. What is evaluation? Okay, so when you look at I ask you a question. Long back. What is phonetics called in Sanskrit? Phonetics is Sanskrit enna perna ketena illaya? Long back. Nyabam what is phonetics called in Sanskrit? Or pronunciation called in Sanskrit? Did I ask you that question? You, or I think when you were in the second year, or when you came to the third year, phonetics, pronunciation, what is it called? It is called shiksha. So a person who doesn't pronounce well is asikshit, uneducated. A sikshit person, sikshit means a person who is educated. A person without shiksha is asikshit. So be very clear about it. Shiksha, phonetics, pronunciation is very, very important. So I want you to, and there is one more. I'll give you the basis of education. We'll talk about that for 2 minutes later. Okay, in a different video class. So இந்த கேள்வி கேட்ட ஞாபகம் இல்லையா உங்களுக்கு? You don't remember? I asked you this question and fine. I think in the fifth semester I asked you. Fine. So what is evaluation? When you ask such a question, immediately what should you do? We are talking about evaluation, correct? Yes or no? We are talking about assessment. We are talking about testing. Immediately ask yourself, you should look at when you look at any word, you should look at its we should look இது புரியணும்னா முதல்ல என்ன பண்ணணும்? What should you do? In a break வேணுமா? Is anyone tired or anything? Immediately you ask, you should look at the origin. Okay, so we are going to look at the origin of evaluation, or what is it called technically? What is it called? ஒரு வேர்டோட ஆரிஜினுக்கு போனா அதுக்கு டெக்னிக்கலா என்ன பேரு? Look at the etymology of the word. We are looking at the etymology of the word. So where does it come from? In the evaluation லயே ஒரு வார்த்தை அடங்கி இருக்கு. Evaluation லயே ஒரு வார்த்தை அடங்கி இருக்கு. Wonderful. Value. Evaluation. Value is there. So what are you doing? Evaluation பண்ணா என்ன தெரியுது? ஒரு விஷயத்தோட வேல்யூ தெரியும். So give me one common thing or everyday example where we evaluate. We do it every time. Or a common activity in which we do evaluation. Am I making myself clear? Yeah, tell me. Give me a common activity in which we evaluate. ஒரு விஷயத்தோட வேல்யூ பார்த்துட்டே இருக்கும். அது ஒரு காமன் ஆக்டிவிட்டி. எது? கோல்ட். வெரி குட். ஏன் கோல்ட் இருக்கு? அது டெய்லி வாங்குவோமா கோல்ட்? டெய்லி வாங்குற விஷயம். வெரி குட். Spending money, okay, that is prudence. Gold க்கு பதிலா வேற ஏதாவது replace it with an everyday object. Grocery, vegetables, wonderful. Okay, so can we safely say, so this is one. Okay, what is evaluation? Evaluation here, value. One second question that I want to ask is, why is it value? Why should we evaluate? Not only that, எனக்கு value for money வேணும். So why should we evaluate? Like she said, we have to find the value. Okay? I should know the value of something. So can we simply say evaluation? Evaluation is a part of our life. We do that. You are evaluating me. Now இத பண்ணும்போது I look at the value that I get from this video. நான் ஒழுங்கா பண்றேனா அப்படி நான் பார்த்துட்டே இருக்கேன். So we can safely say, as of now say, evaluation is a part of our daily lives. We look at the value of something and we keep on asking ourselves. Okay? Now, all right. So, அப்ப evaluation தான் நம்ம பண்றோமே சார். Sir, if it is part of our daily life, why study it? So the question is, why should we evaluate? Third question, why study evaluation? Why study evaluation? Why study anything? What is the purpose of study? So, why study evaluation? We'll answer one third question, one more question, and then we'll stop. Why study evaluation? Study can patient. What does study do? Anything that we study brings in two things. One is you become knowledge, okay? You become more skill. You become more intelligent, you become more conscious. Someone said conscious? Did someone say conscious? Another thing. You become conscious about it. Evaluate today you will be evaluating you are evaluating my teaching. Nothing wrong. It's human nature. Next, you will be conscious and then you will be when I say I study it, I am formalizing that knowledge. Okay, I am formalizing that knowledge. So before we leave, before I close the video, I wanted to just say one thing. Now you tell me, evaluation na idella evaluation ta. Of evaluation and testing unna. What is the test and what is evaluation? So time is 2:25. Can I stop with that question and then we'll take it to the next video? Okay. What is testing and what is evaluation? From what you have discussed till now, they are not synonymous. Okay, they are different. I know that. Thanks a lot for listening to me very patiently.